Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, my name is Miss Shazia Nisar and I will teach you English from today onward. This is your first lecture and first lecture based on the topic our pride, our identity, chapter number 14. Go to page number 86. After opening the book, go to page number 86. Take out your pencils and put your finger on the first line that start from every nation in the world. Have you put your finger on your first line? Okay, that's great. So, shall we start reading? Okay. Every nation in the world take great pride in two things. Firstly, their national flag and secondly, their national anthem. Student, if you feel if any word difficult, you have to simply underline it. Okay? You have to underline difficult word. Okay? So let's continue this reading. A flag is the symbol of and identity of a nation as it distinguishes it from other nation. The citizen of a country consider their flag more precious than their own lives because this flag is their identity. It shows the national characteristics of a nation. A national anthem is an official song that has special importance for a country. It is sung on special national occasions. It usually highlights the ideology of a nation. Like other nations, all Pakistanis take great pride in their flag and anthem. In Pakistan, the anthem is played on special national events along with the raising of the national flag. It is daily sung in the schools' morning assemblies and is considered a part of the curriculum. Let's learn about the flag of Pakistan and the meaning of our national anthem. The flag of Pakistan was designed by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, a close associate of the Qaeda and a leader of Pakistan movement. A white vertical bar was added to the flag of the Muslim League, which was all green with a crescent and a star. Now the Pakistani flag has two colors, green and white. The green color represents the Muslim population which is in majority. The white color represents the non-Muslim who are in minority. The white crescent and the star on the green part are also significant. The crescent and the star are the traditional symbols of the Islamic religion. The star symbolizes the light and knowledge. The crescent symbolizes progress. The length of our flag is two-thirds of its width. It was unfurled for the first time on 14 August 1947. All Pakistani are very proud of. Move to the next page, page number 87. Mo- Proud of their flag. They display it on all the important government buildings. Composing a national anthem for Pakistan was not a simple task. For the initial 2 years, a Milli song was played as national anthem by Radio Pakistan. However, in 1950, the task was assigned to Ahmad G. Chagla, who was a renowned composer and had studied music from USA. In 2 weeks' time, he composed the tune, which is one of the best ones in the world. The total duration of anthem is 1 minute 20 seconds. Now was the task to put word in the composed tune. An open invitation was extended to the poets. Out of many renowned poets of Pakistan, the beautiful verses written by Hafiz Jalandhari were selected except for a few Urdu words. The whole of the national anthem contained words of the Persian language. The national anthem was officially adopted by the government of Pakistan on 23rd March 1954. The whole Pakistani nation sing it with full zeal. However, many of us don't know its meaning. To know the meaning of our sacred anthem, let's read the following detail. Pak Sar Zameen Shad Bad, blessed be the sacred land. Kishware Haseen Shad Bad, happy be the bounteous realm. Tu Nishane Azme Ali Shan, Arze Pakistan, symbol of high resolve, land of Pakistan. Markaze Yaqeen Shad Bad, blessed be thou, capital of faith. Pak Sar Zameen Ka Nizam, the order of the sacred land. Quwwat-e Akhuwat-e Awam is the might of brotherhood of people. Qaum Mulk Sultanate, the nation, the country, and the state. Painda Tabindabad may shine in everlasting glory. Moving to the next page on page number 88. Blessed Shad Bad Manzale Murad, blessed be the goal of our ambition. Parchame Stara o Hilal, this flag of the crescent and the star. Rahbar Tarakki o Kamal, lead the way to progress and perfection. Turjamane Mazi Shane Hal, interpreter of our past, glory of our present. Jane Istakbal, inspiration for our future. Saya Khudae Zuljalal, symbol of Almighty's protection. Just keenly observe, is not our national anthem a piece of poetic excellence? It is. Its each verse is a pearl of wisdom which boasts a feeling of pride and honor. Our national flag and our national anthem are not only our identity but also a symbol of freedom for us. We are recognized through them in the world. We must pay due respect to them. When the flag is being flown and anthem is being sung, we must stand still in respect, and those wearing military uniform must salute. We should pray to Allah Almighty to enable us to protect our beloved country against all threats and safeguard our freedom. Food for thought. Nowadays, it is so disappointing to see that due regard is not paid to our flag or the anthem by young generation. People don't bother to stand when the anthem is being played or sung, and it is very common sight that after celebration of a national occasion, our paper flags are laying by roadside. People have started printing cartoons and picture on it. Is not it an insult to our pride? Whenever you see the national flag or hear the national anthem, just ponder one thing. Our national flag and anthem both are our pride, and our identity, and a symbol that we are free citizen of an independent state. Respect them. Okay, student, this is the reading of your chapter. Let me tell you one thing that you have to ponder. What you do when you celebrate 14 August or Independence Day. Do you take care of these minute details, that you didn't let the paper flag on the road or on the floor? Or do you stand when the national anthem is sung? You have to tell me, okay? So your task is, whatever the words you have underlined during the lecture, during the reading, write it on your notebook. How will you write it? First, you put date, day, classwork, margin line. After preparing your notebook page, you will write topic over there, our pride, our identity. Then you will write activity dictation word. Okay, activity will be dictation words. So next, what will you do? Write all difficult word on your notebook. Okay. Next task is write the meaning of difficult word that are given in green bold color. Again, your topic will be the same. Our pride, our identity, chapter number 14. Activity will be changed. Words meaning. Okay. After writing activity words meaning, you have to write all the words that are given in green color in your chapter and write their meaning against each other. Okay. So you can take help from the glossary that is given at the end of the book. Did you get it? After doing this, you have to do one more thing. Do activity B on your notebook that is given on the book page 89. Okay? So on the book page 89, what is given? Write meaning of the word or phrases given below and use them in sentences. What are the words or phrases? Precious, identity, take pride in, progress, proud of, safeguard. Okay? After doing it, you have to do one more task on the book page 89. Choose and encircle the correct option. Number one statement is every nation in the world take great pride in their national flag because it is their identity, symbol of progress, precious. Option A, their identity. The crescent and the star are the symbol of unity, Islamic religion, brotherhood. Option B, Islamic religion. Except for a few, all the words of our national anthem are written in A. Urdu, Persian, Arabic. Option B, Persian. Our flag was designed by Qaid Azam, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Liaquat Ali Khan, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Number fifth statement is our national anthem is written by Illama Iqbal, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Hafiz Jalandhari. Option C, Hafiz Jalandhari. The music of our national anthem is composed by Nasir Bazmi, Ahmed G. Chagla, Khwaja Khurshid Anwar. Option B, Ahmed G. Chagla. Statement 7 is national anthem is a milli song, an official song, a poem. Option B, an official song. Okay, student, you have to do all these tasks on your notebook and book. Whatever I have told you, I have instructed you. And after doing it, you have to turn to me in your classroom. Okay? Did you get it? If you have any problem or any difficulty during this lecture, you can share your experience with me and you can ask me if you have any problem in this chapter. Okay? Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.